Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. Stay on top of ticket activity with Desk Director notifications. Streamline updates and keep everyone informed, right when it matters. Desk Director uses notifications to ensure you never miss an update. You can receive alerts through the notifications page, desktop notifications, and tech portal ticket notifications. With ticket notifications, clients get desktop alerts whenever a ticket is updated. It's fast, efficient, and keeps updates out of cluttered inboxes. Just click the notification and it takes you directly to the ticket in Desk Director. Clients can access the notifications page to review past alerts they haven't clicked through yet. It's your hub for staying on top of statuses and notes, all in one simple view. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. And that's it. Elevate your ticket management experience with Desk Director notifications. Turn them on today and stay informed effortlessly. Thanks for watching.